In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your LinkedIn account step by step. If you've decided it's time to leave LinkedIn, whether you're cleaning up your online presence, no longer using the platform, or simply want to close your account for good, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. Before we begin, remember that deleting your LinkedIn account is permanent, so make sure you've saved any important contacts, profile details, or messages you may want to keep. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open LinkedIn and sign into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the home page, look at the top of the screen and click the Me icon. This is your profile picture, and it opens a drop-down menu with account options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps most of your account controls, security options, and privacy settings. After the Settings page opens, scroll down until you find the Account Management section. This section contains the tools for managing your account status, including the option to close it. Now look for Close Account and click Change next to it. LinkedIn will take you to the account closure page, where it will ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed. At this stage, LinkedIn may show you important information about what happens when you close your account, including losing access to your connections, profile, and content. Read through that carefully so you know exactly what to expect. Next, LinkedIn will ask you to provide a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best matches your situation. After that, enter your password to verify your identity. This is an important security step to make sure only you can close the account. Once everything is filled out, click Done to finish the process. Your LinkedIn account will then be scheduled for closure, and you'll no longer be able to use it in the normal way. If you ever change your mind, remember to check LinkedIn's recovery window, because sometimes accounts can be reactivated for a limited time after closure. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a LinkedIn account using the account settings inside LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.